Hello, just wanted to go over some problems I've been having with volumes and Heightfield visualization. So here I've just got a volume with sampling set to x-axis, and I've got the visualization set to Heightfield here in this primitive properties SOP. So right now the shading works great, but if I set this to non-square, all of a sudden the shading breaks. And if you look down at this intrinsic voxel size, you can see that all of a sudden the z component is quite a much larger value than the x and y components. If I switch this back, you can see how those values change. So if you simply scale this down using the intrinsic transform, you can see that the voxel size is much closer in the ballpark and the shading is back. So that solves that problem. Now another problem you can have is if you try to create an XZ ordered volume. So here you can see voxels XZ ordered like so, and you can see the shading is broken here but in a different way. So here it's completely black. I fixed the scale, the voxel size issue, and now it's broken. So it appears that you need to have your voxel arrays ordered XY when doing this Heightfield visualization. And if you look at this CopNet, you can see it follows the same convention, so always XY ordered. And if you switch the orientation, all it does is switch the intrinsic transform. The array is still ordered X, Y. And that helps, I assume, with conversion to flat arrays. All right, so that's all.